सो हेलो फ्रेंड्स, अभी एप्सन में हम बात कर रहे हैं एप्सन के प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर से एंड उनसे हम जानने की कोशिश करेंगे कि एप्सन बीइंग अ प्रोजेक्टर ओईएम, बहुत सालों से हम इनका नाम सुन रहे थे एंड अब इन्होंने इंटरैक्टिव फ्लैट पैनल को लॉन्च किया है। तो क्या ऐसी चीज़ें हैं जो मार्केट से इनको अलग बनाती हैं, इसके बारे में बात करेंगे। प्लस इंटरैक्टिव फ्लैट पैनल को लॉन्च करने का क्या रीज़न रहा, उसके बारे में पूछेंगे। तो सर आप बताइए कि आप ऑलरेडी प्रोजेक्टर में रूल कर रहे थे और उस प्रोजेक्टर लाइन से आप इंटरैक्टिव फ्लैट पैनल पे आए, तो उसका क्या एक बड़ा रीज़न रहा आपके लिए?
Thanks for asking this question. I would say firstly we are still ruling.
Okay.
Still the main focus is projectors. We are not deviating to it because projectors, LCDs are patented technology.
Exactly.
We are very well into it.
Mm-hmm.
Our interactive projectors are very well accepted by customers.
We know that.
And see, for every segment there are categories,
Mm-hmm.
right? So there are customers who want a bigger image,
Okay.
for which we are still offering projectors.
Right.
Because you
Definitely
can get
for conference rooms
Exactly.
or big
Yes.
theaters and all that.
Yes, but with all those things, we still have a room to grow.
Right.
So we have noticed that there's a trend where IFPDs have been in market in
True.
demand,
Mhm.
and slowly there is a shift from by customers understanding that IFPD, because there's a small class they may not be needing a very big image size.
Exactly.
There they need something which is more compact and all-in-one solution.
Right.
So considering that demand, we have launched our IFPDs.
Mm-hmm.
The Epson has been known in the education segment, corporate segment, for our interactive projectors, the standard projectors and all.
Right.
And our focus still lays with the projector,
Mhm.
but we don't want the customers who would be thinking that okay, because projector is now outdated and panel is something new,
Mhm.
we want to go with panel, and we don't want to lose those customers. They are very
Right,
dear to us.
Exactly.
And we have worked with them very strongly and closely in all these years.
Mhm.
So to maintain that partner customer, the customer relationship,
Right.
we have added 3 SKUs to it.
Okay.
We have launched 65-inch, 75-inch, and 86-inch.
inch. Right.
I would say one of the key USP of ours is the service network.
Service network.
We have 430 plus service centers across India.
All right.
Every small town as well, we have a person going there, reaching it out and giving the service.
Exactly.
That's our USP, key USP. The confidence of customer in Epson's reliability, sustainability, and the quality of product,
Right.
that makes us differentiating from all the other brands. The standard of our panels is the same standards on which we are developing our projectors.
Okay.
So that assurity has been there with the customer that Epson has come with panels, so they'll get the same kind of quality and service.
Mhm.
Obviously, as I said, that there was a room
Mm-hmm.
which we were losing out.
Yeah.
So cover up
Filling
that
that
gap.
room up.
Yes.
Okay.
And we want that we have printers,
Mhm.
scanners,
Mhm.
projectors. We have robotics. We have large format printers, small printers, photo printers.
Right.
So these all things go to education customers.
Education. Exactly.
There was a gap, and now
okay.
with panel is complete. So it's a complete platter.
fully
which we
agree
can
on that, sir, because what happened is interactive flat panel itself a very good product,
Yes.
but you need services to fulfill that
Correct.
need, because this product can be very helpful, but at times if this product is not working in your class, you're not putting the whiteboards,
Yes,
so you're
obviously.
handicapped then.
Yes, yes.
So you need very good services, और वो services जो हैं वो Epson is providing tremendously, because we already working with you on a project, so वहाँ पर हमें देखा है कि बहुत ही अच्छी सर्विसेज होती हैं। तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जो इंटरैक्टिव फ्लैट पैनल में सर्विसेज अच्छे चाहते हैं, एक अच्छे ब्रांड के साथ जाना चाहते हैं, स्पेशली स्कूल्स, क्योंकि स्कूल पे हम हमेशा रिकमेंड करते हैं कि ऐसे ब्रांड के साथ आपको जाना चाहिए जहाँ पर आपको सर्विसेज बहुत अच्छी मिले, बिकॉज डाउन टाइम आप वहाँ पर कंसिडर नहीं कर सकते, डाउन टाइम आपको बिल्कुल मिनिमम चाहिए। सो एक अच्छी सर्विस देने वाला ब्रांड ही वो आपके लिए कर सकता है। तो मुझे लगता है बहुत ही अच्छा काम आप कर रहे हैं सर, कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन टू यू एंड ऑल द बेस्ट, मे यू ग्रो वेरी वेल इन दिस सेगमेंट ऑल्सो, and we'll catch you later, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you.